Good morning, Rudy. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You had expressed some interest in wanting to purchase a new CHR, and I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of one of the CHRs we have in inventory. We have a few of them in stock right now. They aren't super, we don't have a lot of them here at the dealership. Typically, they come in, and when we do get them, they're one or two, maybe three of them at a time. But this one has the Blizzard Pearl paint. It is an LE model, so you do get the cloth interior, but it does come standard with a bunch of really nice safety features, in addition to a nice touchscreen display, Bluetooth and backup camera capable. Also has automatic headlights with automatic high beams, and I'd love to go over all the features and equipment the vehicle has. So if you have any time to stop in and take a look at it, I'd love to show you the vehicle, possibly even take it for a quick test drive. My phone number here, if you could reach out and give me a call, is 321-254-8888. My extension directly is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.